Hi, I'm Joe of Family Handyman. You know, painting a concrete floor is not unlike painting walls. They're just a few extra steps. Let me walk you through them. There's many options out there for concrete floor paint. I chose this Drylock latex paint. It's low odor, cleans up easily, very durable in a high traffic area. We're gonna do 2 coats. We don't need to put a primer on it. Another option out there for painting your concrete floor is an epoxy. Now Rust-Oleum makes one called Epoxy Shield. It's a water-based 2-part, no primer needed. Another option, Kills concrete and garage floor paint. Works well in high traffic areas like sidewalks and garage. Applies in 1 coat, dries to touch in 2 hours, dries to recoat in 4 hours. First step to this painting project is prepping the floor. This particular floor has already been prepped with a side grinder. What you want to do is fill all the cracks with a concrete sealer, any loose paint, wire brush it out, and then vacuum it thoroughly. Just like any painting job, you want to mask off areas that you don't want to get paint on. Now that I have the room taped off, before I start painting, it's important to have good ventilation, so I'm going to crack a window. Time for a primer coat. Drylock recommends that we thin out the first coat, 1 pint of water to a gallon of paint. So that's what we're going to do. Just like if I was painting walls, I'm going to cut in around the perimeter of the floor with this paintbrush. For this first coat, the manufacturer recommends a 1/4 inch nap roller. Now we got the first coat done, we got to let it dry for 4 hours. Now it's time to put the top coat on. This particular coat we're not going to thin. Just like before, I'm going to cut in and then roll it off. Now the floor is dry, we're going to pull the tape off and then we're done. That's it, all finished. Looks pretty good. Remember, you can tint a lot of these types of paints to match your walls and your decor. Also, it's good to know what paint to apply on what surface. If you're painting your basement or your garage floor, even your sidewalk, what paint to use for the application. For more tips like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.